how to buy crypto on Binance with credit card. Now, first of all, open the Binance app and make sure to log into your account. Now, after that, what you need to do, just tap on add fund. And as you can see here, tap on buy with USD. And now from here, as you can see, you can, if you don't set or the credit card, I will show you how to set it or how to add it. Now, what you need to do, select your crypto by clicking on buy USDT. Now, search for your crypto for your crypto here, as you can see. For example, if you want to buy ADA, you can select it, or if you want to buy any other token like USD, USDC, now you can select it. So after you select your crypto, what you need to do, tap on pay with card and you can tap on confirm. Now after that, as you can see here, just type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, if you don't add your credit card before, tap on add new card, and as you can see here, you can provide your credential of your credit card. After that, click on confirm and you will be able to buy the crypto that you selected on your Binance account. So this is how to buy crypto on Binance with credit card. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.